Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering down the Chromebook and unplugging all cables. Clear a flat surface and use a magnetic tray for small parts. Gather a Phillips #00 and #0 screwdriver, a 1.5mm pry tool, and needle nose pliers. Keep a soft cloth to protect the screen and a plastic opening pick for bezels. Prepare to remove about 10 small screws from the bottom cover and hinge area. Disconnect the battery before progressing to avoid electrical shorting and accidental damage. Flip the Chromebook and remove all visible screws, about 10 in total. Lift the bottom cover carefully and set it aside on the soft cloth. Open the screen to 90 degrees and gently pry the display bezel with a plastic pick. Work along edges to avoid cracking the bezel plastic or LCD frame. Locate and unplug the display cable and webcam cable from the motherboard carefully. Unscrew the hinge assembly mounting screws and lift the hinge assembly out from the chassis. Place the replacement hinge assembly into the chassis and align all mounting posts. Start screws by hand to avoid cross-threading and tighten evenly in a diagonal pattern. Use a torque or feel to tighten to about 3.5 inch-pounds to prevent stripping the M2 screw threads. Reconnect the display cable and webcam cable securely to the motherboard, then gently close the display to test smooth hinge movement. Reinstall the bezel and bottom cover. Replace the 10 screws and power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.